Okay, now let's understand the concept of deployment pipelines. Think deployment pipelines like a relay race where your data project moves from development to test to production. Each stage checks if the baton is passed correctly. In Microsoft Fabric, you can automate this flow for Power BI reports, datasets, and other artifacts, ensuring consistency across environments. It tracks changes, validates dependencies, and lets you roll back if something breaks down. This way, your team can safely collaborate and release updates without disrupting business users. Let's meet in our next lecture.